In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula column in Monday.com. This is an incredibly useful feature that can help streamline your workflow by automating calculations and data analysis directly within your boards. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Monday board where you need to add the formula column. You'll notice there is a plus icon conveniently located right next to the last column of your board's table. This icon is your gateway to adding a variety of new columns, and today it's what we'll be using. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will present you with a list of options for different types of columns that can be added to your board. From this list, you'll want to select Formula. Clicking this will add a new blank column to your board designated specifically for formulas. It's as simple as that. Your formula column is now ready to be used. With your formula column in place, the next step is where the real magic happens. You'll select an empty cell within this new column, which is where you'll input your desired formula. This is your canvas for creating powerful calculations and automated functions. As you click into the cell, you have the ability to type your formula manually, drawing on your specific data needs. Monday.com simplifies this process by providing a handy list of functions and constants right on the side. These are incredibly useful and can be easily copied and pasted into your formula, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Referencing other columns in your formulas is also straightforward. To do this, just type the name of the column you wish to reference and enclose it within curly brackets. This is a simple yet powerful feature that links data across your board, allowing for seamless integration and comprehensive calculations. This flexibility enables you to create formulas that suit your specific needs, whether it's simple arithmetic or more complex functions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a formula column to your Monday board and learned how to set up a formula within it. By leveraging this feature, you can enhance your data analyses, automate repetitive tasks, and create an efficient workflow. The ability to use formulas directly in Monday.com truly elevates the platform's potential, making it an indispensable tool for project management and collaboration. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with formula columns in Monday.com, and that it opens up new possibilities for how you manage and analyze your data. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.